Assalamualaikum. Welcome to e-edification. It's me उस्मान अली, your English teacher. चलिए आज के लेक्चर का आगाज करते हैं.
Today we will learn words with letter H. First word is heap. It's a noun. It means a large, untidy pile of things. In Urdu, it means ढेर, एक बेतरतीब सा मजमुआ. Synonyms: pile, stack, mass, mount, mountain, quantity, load, lot, and bundle. There was a heap of stones where the building used to be. There was a heap of clothes or rubbish. Next word, hideous. It's an adjective. It means extremely ugly or bad. In Urdu, it means badshakal, वहशत अंगेज, नफरत अंगेज. Synonyms: ghastly, grim ugly, unattractive, unprepossessing, grotesque. She wears the most hideous color combinations you could ever imagine. They have just built some hideous new apartment blocks on the seafront. Habitat, it's a noun, the natural home or environment of an animal, plant, or other organism. In Urdu, it means maskan, ghar. Synonyms: home, domain, and haunt. With so many areas of woodland being cut down, a lot of wildlife is losing its natural habitat. So it's a fact, when we cut a lot of trees, when we cut a lot of areas of woodland, of course, so many wildlife gets disturbed because wildlife loses its natural environment, natural habitat. The grassland is an important habitat for many wildflowers. Next, haggard, it's an adjective. It means looking ill or tired, often with dark skin under the eyes. In Urdu, it means thaka manda, pareshan hal, paje murda. Synonyms: careworn, tired, drained, drawn, rattled. Sam looked tired and haggard. She was pale and haggard after illness. Next word is haphazardly. It's an adverb. It means in a way that does not have an obvious order or plan. In Urdu, it means बेतरतीबी के साथ, जल्दबाजी में किया हुआ काम. Synonyms: randomly, unsystematically, unmethodically, disorderly, irregularly, indiscriminately. The new plan was introduced haphazardly. Bushes growing haphazardly here and there. Next word is harmony. Harmony is a noun. It means notes of music combined together in a pleasant way. Synonyms: euphony, polyphony, consonance, balance, symmetry, and congruity. The modern generation of composers discarded traditional ideas of melody and harmony. It means the new composers, the present age composers or musicians, they believe that there mustn't be any harmony, there mustn't be any balance, rather there must be discordant elements. So therefore we do have strange sort of music these days, very loud, very noisy. Imagine a society in which everyone lived together in perfect harmony. Next word is haughty. Haughty is an adjective. It means unfriendly and seeming to consider oneself better than other people. In Urdu it means मगरूर, एक ऐसा शख्स जो कि दोस्ती की तरफ माइल नहीं होता इसलिए कि वो अपने आप को दूसरों से बरतर समझता है, बेहतर समझता है. Synonyms: proud, vain, arrogant, conceited, snobbish, pompous, egotistical, supercilious, and condescending. She has a rather haughty manner. People thought of him as being haughty and difficult to talk to. Next word, havoc. It's a noun. It means widespread destruction, great confusion or disorder. Synonyms: devastation, destruction, damage, desolation, depredation, disorder, chaos, disruption, mayhem. And in Urdu it means barbadi, tabahi. The storm wreaked havoc in the garden, uprooting trees and blowing a fence down. A strike will cause havoc for commuters. Next word is hearsay. It's a noun. It means information that you have heard but do not know to be true. It means, in Urdu it means अफवाह, सुनी सुनाई बात, आपने सुनी लेकिन आपके पास उसके लिए तस्दीक करने के लिए कोई मवाद नहीं है. Synonyms: rumor, gossip, tittle tattle, idle, chatter, idle talk. The evidence against them is all hearsay. I wouldn't take any notice of it. It's just hearsay. So that's all for today.